What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to be doing the stat modeling recap for June 19th of 2021. This week was very interesting, to say the least. We actually had Dow stocks, like you could say value stocks, pull back a lot. Like, here's the chart of the Dow ETF, and it had a huge pullback this week. We can see there have been quite a few red days in a row. And then you look at the QQQ, it actually broke all-time highs on Thursday, and it's like just been like, you know what I mean, like closer to that all-time high. So it's very rare to see a divergence like this, where we have the QQQ in certain stocks just exploding up, where at the same time we have Dow/value stocks really pulling back. So if we look at the SPY, it's kind of like a mix between these two. The SPY was at its all-time high a couple days ago, but it is starting to pull back. So either way, basically what this means is it makes it a little tricky to swing trade. So we're going to get into the plays from this week. Here are all of the swings. Like I said, because the market has been a little tricky to trade, we didn't really have too many new plays this week. Just a lot of holding of the existing plays. There were a couple new ones, but it's been a little tricky. The swings were all right this week. It wasn't anything amazing. Yeah, definitely nothing amazing. Here are all of the plays for everyone. So here's all of the swings, and then we're going to get into the theta plays. You know, the theta plays are pretty slow and steady, and they're very consistent. So there's not really any major updates with the theta, but I know a lot of people, when the market is kind of choppy like this, when you sell puts, it can actually be a huge win-win. I know you're not going to see a crazy percent return when you're selling puts, but they're very safe, and if you do them correctly, they really are a win-win. In the worst case scenario, you literally get paid to buy a stock you like at a low price. So overall, that was pretty good. And then the bot this week was, I would say, good in general. On Friday, it called out a dud, but overall, it was pretty solid. It had a great call out with the QQQ. Called out puts very well. I want to say, yeah, on Wednesday, so that was great. Had an amazing call out with Tesla on Thursday. Airbnb had a pretty solid call out on Tuesday, and then Uber was pretty good too. But yeah, I mean, BABA wasn't the best, but QQQ and Tesla were definitely very great plays. But yeah, I mean, things are going pretty good in general. Like I said, it was a little choppy, especially with the swings this week, just due to the nature of the market. But looking back at the swings, I know I called out this Zoom play a little while ago, and this thing has just been doing so well. It's definitely my favorite play, and, you know, Zoom is a powerhouse, and I still think it has more potential. We literally called out this Zoom play at the exact bottom on May 13th. So, you know, I know that it's almost impossible to consistently call out plays at the exact bottom, but ever since we called this one out, it has just been exploding for like over a month now, and it's still my favorite play. And I know that we did sell half of it, and we are still holding the rest, but overall, it's a great play, and I'm just excited to see how much this one can run. If you guys have any questions about the program, you can click the first link in the description down below. But other than that, thanks for watching, and have an amazing weekend.